the guy on that. 14th of July 2025, because it's in like a commercial building built in 1969 here in Heinola, Lahti region of Finland. Belly house. This versus 18159.
Yeah, Savontie 7.
Ah. But the
Yeah, but it's still 2 rocks.
yes. And the machine is still part of the original.
Yeah,
In the 1990s they just upgraded the controllers.
yeah.
The West is 6 versus the 480 grams. Down to the basement floor again. These controllers are unnecessary.
Yeah.
Don't take much time. Yeah, it definitely sounds like the controls were upgraded in the late 1990s.
Yeah.
But it was not modernized.
It's big package that maintained by Kone.
There's the they have painted it over.
Yeah.
Second line. Yeah, because the controllers make it too small.
Yeah.
Make it full one, or you can press. That's it, thanks.
That's